Okay, I think you can see my screen. This is the first question. This is the second, which is 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6 in here, and then number 10 and 11. But I think one of them, I was reading that just before I joined. One of them, let me check it again. Programming, we program as is the program should display content. One of them is asking to use functions. That question, which is asking you to use function, you have to ignore it because function is not taught to you yet. Let me find that one, please. Programming, different parts, joke. There's a joke, but okay. The main function, yeah. Number 3, question number 3 should be ignored. So you will have 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10. 9 and 10. And then the next will be another tutorial, which is this one. Question number 1, question number 2, which is this one, and the last one, which is question number 3. So all of you have these question, right?
Doctor, can I interrupt you for a minute?
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, actually, our this lab was I'm from Group E, and our this lab was supposed to be on Tuesday, right? But unfortunately, today I have a clash with my minor class, so I will be having a test like after a few minutes. So can I get your permission to take leave so that I can make the preparation for the test?
Okay, so you, I didn't get you, but you want to attend this class? I mean, this slot?
Sir, actually, we are from Tuesday, Group E, right? Then, but
Okay.
that day we had the test, so doctor moved Group E to Thursday this
C,
time, right?
yeah.
Group.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so unfortunately, I have I am taking the minor course of management, and the management has a test today, like after some time. So it has a clash. So can I get your permission to take it? So,
Okay,
sir, I meant I have a test
so
just after some time.
Okay, so you want to join the class after a few minutes, right?
Yes, sir. And also, because this will be recorded, right? So I think I can cover it later.
Okay. No. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. My name is Redwan of the Group E. Okay, so thank you.
Okay, Group E. Okay. Thanks. Okay, try to download it, and then I'm giving you. Okay, let me assign them. Let me stop sharing, and then assign them like we did for previous sessions. I have to. Okay, maybe I don't want to call you from the list. Is it possible to ask for the volunteers who likes to do the first question? I mean, the first question from the PDF file. The one which is the second textbook, consider the following complete C programming, C++ programming. Okay, Ji Hui Lee, you are the first. Hazem is the second. Who is the third? Okay, Ji Hui Lee, are you from which group you are? Can you, when you ask for the question, is it possible to write your group? Ji Hui Lee, Group E. Okay, Hazem is Group E, I think, right? Hazem, are you? Yeah, Group E. So display alternative. No. The second question is this one. The manager of the football stadium wants you to write a program. Hazem. this question. In the PDF file, the manager of the football stadium wants you to write a program that blah, blah, blah. Is there any volunteer for that one? Muhammad Ali, okay. The number 3 is this one. 3 employees in a company are up for a special, right? Did you mean this one? Okay, good. Hazem, do you want to do the second one in the PDF file? Okay, good. So
Actually, Doctor, who typed the alternative lines, the message wasn't me. It was Zihu Lee. Sweehi Lee, not me.
alternative.
It was Zihu Lee, not me. Who typed?
No, the first. Okay. I made a mistake. Sorry. Ji Hui Lee, the first question from the PDF file, consider the following complete C++. The first line contain this one. Yeah, I mean this one. I mean the first question in the PDF file. Ji Hui Lee. Okay, you want to do it or not? Ji Hui Lee? Okay, good. So Ji Hui Lee, Hazem and Muhammad Ali will be do these 3 exercises. Then we go to the other, I can say the other exercises, which is 7, because I omitted one of them. Okay, for the first one, alternative lines. Any volunteer? I don't want from group E. Any volunteer from group A? We can't see the question and which one. No, you should have the questions already. I showed at the first. Let me share again. Okay. Any volunteer? I want 3 volunteers from group A for the first 3 questions. Okay, guys, if there is no volunteer, I have to open my list. Are you sure you don't want to do it voluntary? Okay, let me open my list. Group A. Lai Xinjian. Lai Xinjian. Are you around? Okay. Let me share my screen again to make sure you understand what I mean. Sorry. Lai Xinjian, can you see my screen? Okay, this question, display altered lines of a file, is yours. Okay? Thanks. And then I go Ko Young Wang. Okay, the second question, which you can see in the screen in here, is yours. Okay? Thanks. I go for another person. Nur Aisha. Okay, Aisha, the fourth question, sentences and words in a file, is yours. Okay? Because the third one, including functions, I don't want you to do that. Okay, thank you. And then I want to call from group C, because this is the group C slot. Hana from group C. Can you do number 5, please? Line numbers. Thanks. And then we go to number 6. For number 6, I want to call Yoko Guan. Yoko Guan. Okay. You should do number 6. Is that okay? Thanks. And then we go for number 9. Is this one? File encryption. And then Chong Yi Yin. No. So Ding Han. So Ding Han. Okay, can you do number 9, question number 9? Okay, thank you. And the last one, I want to pass it to Daniel. Daniel, are you around? I want you to do number 10. File decryption filter. Okay, thank you. So you know all the questions assigned to you, but all of you have to start doing that randomly. I will ask you to present. Not only those who assigned the question to are going to present randomly. I may ask you to present your work. Thank you. I will give you 16 minutes. This is 2:14. 2:30, I will get back to you. I'm leaving the class, and then I will get back to you at 2:30. You have 16 minutes. Guys, you have 3 more minutes. Okay, the first base person, Chihui Lee, are you ready? Not done yet, okay. Okay. Anyone else is ready to present? Not wasting time. If any of you is ready to present, please. Okay, except Ji Hui Lee. Is there anyone who has done the question number 1? Azri, you did question number 1, meaning that second textbook, I mean the question from PDF file. Okay, Ji Hui Lee, how much time you need to finish Can you estimate the time you need? Almost done. Okay. Five min. Okay, so I ask Azri to present, and then later you can present Juhudi. Azri, can you share your screen, please?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. We are waiting for your screen.
Am I sharing the screen now?
Yes, yes. Could you please continue? Can you maximize your... Okay. Can you go step by step from the PDF file? All the items, read the item and show the line of the code you have done. You have addressed that item.
Okay. Can you see the code? Can you see the code?
Yes, yes. No, you can. Okay.
Okay,
Go
so
ahead, no problem.
So for the first question, 1A, write a program that includes the header files. This is the header files. And then declare in file to be if stream and out file to be off stream. And this is the statement.
Okay, I want to ask you a question. Let's say you omit the I and O. For example, you say F stream in file, F stream out file. What will happen? What is the difference between IF stream, OF stream, and F stream? Azri? Azri, we cannot hear you.
Stream uses the class that needed to read from a file. Or off stream, yes. Hello?
Yeah. I think you have delay or there is a problem with your internet. I don't know because I cannot hear you. Can you say something? Hello? Hello? Okay, never mind. Jihuli, are you ready? I think Ozri got problem. I don't know. Let me, Ozri,
Hello?
Yes, what happened? I cannot see. Okay, we cannot hear you.
Now, Can you hear me?
Yes.
I'm so sorry. My internet sometimes.
Okay, no problem. I asked you what Dustin Let Azri present and then we get back to you maybe. Okay, still can hear. Okay. Can you let your friend know what is the difference between IF stream, OF stream, and F stream?
For if stream, you input or read data from a file. And for off stream, you are writing data to the file. And for F stream, you're doing both.
Okay. Okay, so we'll go to item C, please.
So the program will read data from file in data. So which means that we need to read from a file in data. But so I created the file beforehand, and then I will be reading from that file using this one, off stream out file.
Okay, okay, can you see your input file?
Okay.
In data, yeah. That was up there in that, yeah.
Yeah, so this is the file that we need to read from.
Okay. And then which one is your output file?
My output file is this one.
Okay, can you delete it? Delete the output file. Can you close this one? No, close this one. Yeah, delete the out data txt. Okay. Okay, now go to the program. Okay, let your friend know what you do from line 21.
Okay, from line 21, we read from the previous file, which is the in file, in data text. We read from this. So first, this is the reading for the first line. We have name 1, name 2, and the department.
What is the name 1, name 2?
This is the string value that we need to read.
No, name 1 and name 2. Name 1 is the first name, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And the second name 2 is the last name.
Yeah, is this the last name?
Okay, and then department. Okay, so you can see that for reading the file, because in this case, because all of us, we know the arrangement of the file, you can simply read the file because the file is created by yourself before, and then you know the arrangement in the file. If you don't know the arrangement, you cannot simply read it like this. Okay, go ahead.
Yes. So this outline is I just testing it to see if I'm reading the data correctly. So this can be ignored. And then for the second, this is for reading the second statement, which is the salary, bonus, and taxes.
Okay.
And same for the next third statement and the fourth lines. Third line and fourth lines. Then this is for writing into the file. First, okay, I have this one.
What do you need to write in the file?
I need to write the exactly like this one, the name, and then the department, monthly gross salary, and all of that. I just set this one to get the decimal point to 2.
Okay, from line 30 to line 38 is only a simple like cout, but you are doing the out file. You're using the object out file. which is equal to C out for the console, but it is for the file. Okay, I think it's fine, it's good. I want to ask your friend if they have any question. Do you have any question for this code written by Azri? No question? Still, out data is not he hasn't compiled and run the program. Before compiling and running the program, I'm asking, can we combine name1 and name2 so that we only use one variable instead of two? The thing is that he's reading the file word-wise, right? Because when you are reading the file, when the out file is reaching the space, not reading, when you're reading the file like that in file, name1, name2, it is written word by word. So combining them, you have to read if you want, and then combine them. Get line is reading the whole line. Still, you have to process it. If you read by the get line, it will read the whole line for you, and then you have to process to do the changes. But you need word by word. You want to do some changes, right? You don't need the whole screen. Okay. So any other questions? Anything come to your mind, please let me know. Any questions, any suggestions? If no, can you compile and run? Okay, no error. And then run. What should I do? There's nothing to see for the user.
Okay, so I think the file is created.
Yeah, but when as I told all of you before, in the black window I cannot see anything. You have to have a good message. The file is creating or under process, something that user can understand. Okay, this is the output file. Just never mind. You go to the output file. One of your friend wanted to see the output file, who is Yuzian Yap. This is the output file. Name, and then the last name, and then the department, name of the department, and then monthly gross salary, which is that one, monthly bonus is that one, taxes, and all those things. Do you have any question? Yuzian Yap? I can't get the last value, the sale amount. Where is the sale amount? Is the last one.
The sales amount you can get from coffee sold times the cost.
So it should be calculated.
Yep.
Okay. Did you get it? Yuzian Yap?
Yeah. Everything I declare as a float, except for the coffee sold, because the coffee sold is the amount of coffee that is sold. So I use int for the coffee that is sold. So yeah, as you can see from my...
But I suggest you for the sales amount and those numbers that may grow up and will be bigger, you can use the double. But for this case, it's okay.
Okay, sir.
Lee Jun Ton, you are telling the getLine function better maybe. So I answered you because getLine is reading the whole line. You will get the whole line and put it in one string variable. And then still you have to do process to separate the words. Yeah, this is the same question Hazem asked. And then I answered that. Jihui Lee, no, you will read the accounting. What does he mean, Azri?
It means that from my understanding, can you see this this website file?
Which one?
Okay, never mind. This if you use getLine, it will read this 3 string, and yeah. But if you use sin, it will read separately. This one, and this one. And since you need the 3 of them separately, I use sin. If you use getLine, it will read all of it, all of the string in the first line.
Yeah. He is telling that accounting is for the department. Jihui Lee. Accounting is the department. Go to the question now, Azri, please. Show him the question.
This is the question.
Okay. If you can see, the output should be like the department colon accounting. Did you get it, Jihui Lee? Oh, okay. No, for the getLine, I explained that getLine is getting the whole line. It's not wrong, but still you have to do process to separate the words. So it is better to use the the in file. What was that? Yeah, in file object, and then using that operator to read the input one by one, word by word. Okay. Any other question? If no, thank you so much, Azri. You can stop sharing, and Jihui Lee, you can start sharing.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Well, can you see these words, or it is big or too small?
No problem. It's okay.
Okay. So I just this part is for the question A. Add a head file to the program, and this is the variable list. I use the same in the questions. And the question B, and write the off-stream and the in-stream.
Okay.
And question C, open the files, and I use a word to check the file is open or not.
10, 11, 12. Muhammad Ali is suggesting you that go to line 10, 11, and 12. Okay. Line 10, he's suggesting that you can put them in one line.
Oh, I got it. Yes.
Okay. Can you change it now?
Okay.
Okay, you have another string. Go up. Yeah.
I just like to write like this.
Okay.
And question D is this is the whole process of the program.
Okay. You are reading, and then out. in file, first name. Can you go up a little bit?
Sorry, you mean?
Yeah, just scroll up.
Okay.
Scroll up. Okay. A bit more. Can you scroll up a bit more? No, scroll up means go to the top of the. Okay. It's okay. In file, second name. In file, first name. And then the same thing. Okay. Out name, second name. Okay. You're reading and then writing. You're opening the file, reading, and then writing. Is open. Okay.
Okay, the next step is same like this. And I used to set the point of the numbers because the result shows in the question is they have two decimal.
Okay. Can you run the code, please?
Okay.
What is that?
It means successful.
Okay, recording succeed. Okay. Now can I see the output file?
Okay. All data.
Okay, name is this one, department accounting, person 5%. Okay, you're having the set precision for 2, and then paycheck, distance, and all of that. Okay, thank you so much. If no question, we go for the second question.
Okay, I stop sharing.
Yeah, thank you so much. Hazem, are you ready to share your code? Jihuili, you can mute your mic. Okay, Hazem, we are listening to you. What do you have for us? We cannot hear you. You have muted your mic. Hazem, your mic is muted. Still cannot hear you. So there is a problem with the mic. Okay, no problem. During that time, I want to ask Dustin to
Can you hear me, Doctor?
present. Yes.
Do I hear now?
Yes, I can hear you. You can share your screen.
Sorry, I had difficulties with the mic.
No problem.
Okay, I have question 2.
Okay.
I was asked to make a program that calculates the total ticket sales after each game from and read the input from a TXT file from text file. The TXT file is in this format: text price and number of tickets sold. So I made my own txt file like this.
Okay.
Okay. And it wants me to calculate the number of tickets sold and its price, total price. So this is the price, and this is the number of tickets sold.
Okay.
Okay. I made this program. I made a temp1 and temp2 strings so I can get rid of the first two words like I showed before. 1 minute, let me bring it again to get rid of these.
Okay.
Okay. Then I made declared a lot of variables actually. One for the box tickets. We have of course, four types of tickets: box tickets, sideline tickets, and premium tickets, and general admission tickets. Each one of these variables will contain the number, and
Okay.
these variables will contain the price. Okay.
Yep.
All right. So I declared the object file, input object file using ifstream, and I named it input.
Okay.
Declared another output object file, named it output, but I will use it later. Then I opened the txt file that contains the data. I used the get line to get the first string, then told it to stop at the first tab you meet, and then the input the next string, which is this. Okay. Then I extracted or tokenized each and every value using normal input. Okay. First thing is the input price, then the box number. Okay. The first one is the box price, then the box num, then the sideline price ticket, and the side number tickets, and so on and so on. You can see. And the last thing is the general admission price here. Then I closed the input file. I don't need it anymore. I took all the information from it, like here. And then I closed it. Then I made the calculations. Of course, I made for each ticket number and ticket number and value, I made a variable so I can calculate its value. Okay, and I static cast it as double, not float. It can be more safe. I declared them here, as you see.
Okay.
Tickets, sideline tickets, premium tickets, and general admission tickets. Made the calculations, the number multiplied, and opened the output.
Okay, wait. In line 41 to 44, if you are defining them as double, why are you doing the casting?
Because each and every one of these each and every multiplicand and multiplier are integers. So when two integers are multiplied, it will produce an integer. So it will convert this variable to float, to double, not float.
No, I think the box number is declared as double, right?
Not the box number. No, box number is declared as int.
So both of them are int?
Who? The box num and the side price? Yeah. I think I should make the box price double, right?
Yeah.
But even if I made it double, my input file has no decimal points, so it will convert it also to int.
Yeah. No,
Right?
if one of them is double and the other one is integer, it will be the result will be double.
Yes, but my ext file doesn't have this price is integers.
No,
So
no. They are integer, but when you declare the variable, because you're reading it and putting in the variable you declare. So it doesn't matter what you have in your file. It matters that the variable you are declaring is int or double, and you're declaring them as double, right?
yeah.
So when you are reading and putting it in a double, it will be considered double.
Okay. So I will remove the static cast here.
You remove the bracket, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Then I opened my output file.
Okay, can you show me the output file in your folder? Ticket sales. Okay, delete the file.
Okay. Delete the file.
Okay, go back to your code.
Yes.
Okay,
Then I
and then
opened my output file.
okay,
Named it.
that part is only printing to the file. Okay, can you go down? I want to
This
see.
is a message for the user.
Okay, can you run the code, please?
Okay.
Okay, close the output window and then go to the output file. Okay.
Number of tickets and the price.
Okay, can you close the file?
Yes.
And run the code again? Okay, close it. It's done. Go to the file again. Okay, it's rewritten. Okay.
Do you want to change the values here so we can see another?
No, it's fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. Thank you. Any comment, any questions from Hazem regarding the code? All good? Okay. Thanks, Hazem. Thank you so much. I go to Muhammad Ali for the third question. Please share your screen. Muhammad Ali, we cannot hear you. And then the other thing is that you are not sharing your screen. It will be difficult to switch to the folder, to the output, and going back to the code. Can you share your screen? Okay, it's easier now. But I cannot hear you. Hello? We cannot hear you. Okay, during the time Muhammad Ali is going to fix the mic issue. Is there anyone? Mohammed, stop sharing and share the whole screen. Yeah, I told him, but never mind. Even you have the mic problem. Is there anyone who wants to present the question number 3? During the time Muhammad Ali is fixing the mic problem, it means none of you has done number 3 yet. Okay. Can we move to the next person from group A?
Test.
What?
Test.
Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, finally.
Okay.
Do I share the screen?
Yes, share the screen, please, not the application.
Okay. So the question was, they need me to read from this file. Basically, it's the last name, the first name, the paycheck or the salary, and then the amount, the raise. So I have 2 input and output stream.
Okay.
I declared the names as a string, and all the numbers, the salary, the increase, and the new salary as double. I told it to open from this file to read the salary and the names, and then change the increase rate to %. So I just multiplied it by 100.
Okay.
Line 25 is not important. It's just for me to see the output without moving to the file.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the IF stream and OF stream? What are they?
They're just the main headers. So I stream mean input, read from file. O stream is output, mean create a file or extract to a file.
Okay. Is there anyone who can explain what is IF stream and OF stream or F stream? I want to know if you know what they are. Are they variable? This is like, for example, do you remember? Of course you remember, and you know when you say int x, you're defining x, the variable x, as type integer, right? So
Yeah.
what is IF stream or OF stream or F stream?
Here, for example, the IF stream salary. I basically told the program that salary is a file that you need to read from.
Okay, Lu UG is telling that, wait, there are too many messages here. Okay, let me read. A file stream, okay. Lu UG is telling IF stream is an input file stream. It's not. It's a file stream. Okay. Somehow it's okay. But Yasmin is telling a file stream class. This is closer. Yeah. It's a class. The file stream is a class. And then you are declaring the salary, like you say, int x. X is a variable of type int. Salary is an object of type IF stream. And then IF stream is a class that let you open the file in the input mode. OF stream is another class that let you open the file in write mode. So IF stream is only for the read mode, and OF stream is for the write mode. There's an as variable type. They are not variable, okay? They are different. They are objects. They are not variables. If you say int x, x is a variable. But these guys are objects. You have to call them objects. They are much bigger than a variable. Even maybe the objects can include too many variables. I'm obviously representing a variable open output. Okay. Okay, you have just listened to me that. Let me read this. IF stream is for reading data from file like type variable. Obviously is writing. Yes, this is by Dustin, but I don't know why it is said send privately. You can send it to the group. Dustin is telling that IF stream is for reading data from file, and OF stream is for writing. But I wanted you to know that what they are. They are the class, and salary is an object of that class. You have to distinguish between the variables and these things, okay? Need some operation code. F stream need some operation code. What does it mean? I don't know, but later on next semester, you will see that objects are bigger. For example, size of my shoe, let's say this is 45, okay? This is the variable. During my, from childhood up to, for example, when you are 15 years old, 16 years old, your shoe size is always changing. So the size of your shoe is variable, and it is only one value. It is coming up from, for example, 12, 15, and up to 45 or even bigger. But I myself, as a human, I can tell myself is an object. I'm an object which has too many variables inside. For example, I have the shoe size, I have eye color, I have hair color. Each of them are variables. For example, hair color is a kind of a stream. Yeah. For example, my hair color is black. This is a variable of a string, but it is included in my body, and my body is the object. Now, IF stream is a class. You can have objects from them. For example, salary is an object. Okay, go ahead. I think the code is clear. If you don't have any question from the code, you can directly run the code.
Okay. So the output was first name, last name, and then updated salary after the salary increase.
Okay, can you show us the input file? In the input file, I think the last name was first and first name was last, right? Was second.
Yeah, but the question was make the output first, last.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, if no question, you can stop sharing.
Thank you.
Thanks to you. Actually, at first, early sessions, it was very difficult for you to even read the data from the input and then printing it on the monitor or output. But now I can see that easily you can read and write from a file and to a file. So you have to keep practicing. Programming is always practicing. You have to keep practicing, then it will be very easy for you to write the program and application. Okay, next person was from group A. Lysinzian. We had great teachers. Oh, thanks. Kind of you. No, it means I really mean that you have to practice, and the most important thing, you have to know what you do. You have to know what it is, what you do, and then it will be very easy. You have to play with the commands, you have to play with the code, and do whatever you want. It will be very easy for you to write any application as long as you know the correct things. Okay. Lysinzian, I cannot hear you. Can you please unmute your microphone?
Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So this is my input file. I just literally create a new file, and
Okay.
this program will display the alternate lines from a file. That means it will display like line 1, line 3, line 5, and line 7.
So you start picking the lines from line 1, right?
Yes.
Okay. Even you can change the program to ignore the line number 1 and start from line number 2, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you show the code and explain?
So first I open the file, which is my file, and I will test the existence of the file. If the file fail to open, it will see up error and the file is not exist. So it will return.
Okay.
If the file is successfully open, and it will see up reading the file, and as long as there are lines, it will continue to loop. So I will get line 1 and line 2 and display the alternate line.
Okay, what is the \n at the end of the get line?
Means I get the input of line 1 until the first line end. So that means this will be the line 1. And after the end line, it will be the line 2.
Still, you didn't answer my question, or maybe you didn't answer very well. I mean, what is the function of the \n at the end of your as the third parameter for the get line?
To indicate the end of the line 1.
Okay. Yeah, Rian is right. It's a delimiter. Okay, go ahead.
And then it will display the alternate lines. And the question said need to display the number of lines. So at first I declare the I equals to 1. I initialize the I equals to 1 and we'll see out the I. And this is the increment of the line, the number of line. And then, after that, after read all the line in the file and it will see out done. So close the file and it's all done.
Okay, very good. Thanks. Any questions from your friend Lysinzian? Am I pronouncing correctly?
Yes.
Okay. So happy. Nope. Okay. Could you please run your code?
Okay.
Thanks.
So this will be the output.
But I think you didn't share your screen and we cannot see anything.
Okay. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
No problem.
Can you see now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see this one.
This is the input file.
Okay, but the question is not asking you to put any numbers before any line. It's just asking you to show the alternative lines. It's not asking you to numbering.
I think yes. I think, sir, the picture you shared just now with the question, there are some part cutted off. Wait.
So I know, but the question is only this one.
Oh, okay.
But anyway, it's good. It's good. It's okay. My name is XXX. What does it mean, XXX? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, that's good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Doctor, sorry,
Yes.
there is a small note.
Okay.
The question says, ask the user to enter the name of the file.
Okay, let me check the question again. Write a program that asks the user to, yes, you're right. Okay, what do you want to do with this?
So I need to add something.
Yes, you have to ask the user to enter the file name instead of, for example, you have to read the file name and put it in a string and then pass it as a parameter to in file. It is better to change it to file name instead of file.
Okay.
Oh, very good. You are following the camel case. I like that. I don't know why I always like to focus on very small things. Okay.
So I need to compile again.
I want to ask you to do something, please. Before you compile, can you go down?
Yes.
Okay, when you are writing the file, can you show me the place you are writing inside the file?
Sorry, writing what file?
Oh, it's not writing to
It's
any
reading
file.
file.
Okay, reading and showing on the output, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay. Run it, please.
Oh.
It's very good. Very immediately you can find the error. Can you compare yourself when at the first, second, and third session you didn't know how to deal with? We cannot see your output.
Oh.
Okay, 1357 is enter the name of the file and then my file.txt, reading the file, which is very nice. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you.
We go for the next person who was that? Ko Young Wang, right? Ko Young Wang. Okay, can you share your screen, please? Liasin Jian, you can mute your microphone. Thank you. Okay, we go for question number 2. You're waiting for Ko Yung Wang to show us the code written by question number 2. Write the program, ask the user to file name, then should display the content of the file. It won't fit each 24 lines. Okay. You have to create a very big file. We cannot hear you, Ko Hyung Wang. I think you have to unmute your mic, and then we cannot see your code as well. We can see only your desktop. Hello? Everything is freezed. This is very bad that I couldn't even see your faces this semester. And then we have group A. This is the last session with group A. It is very, yeah. Hello, sir.
Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, we can.
So this I declare the name for the file name.
Okay.
And this is for the output line.
Okay. Normally, when you want to declare a variable for the file name, you can name it file name instead of name, but you don't need to change it right now because we don't have time. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Then we prompt user to enter the name. And here I do this to clear the buffer from keyboard. Then we open file. Here is to verify whether the file is exit or not. Then in the for loop, the loop will stop if the end of file is detected.
Okay. Can I ask you something?
Yes.
Is it possible to explain us what is end of file function? What is the end of file?
I don't know how to explain.
Is there anyone else who can explain what is end of file function there? It returns true if a while has reached the end. True. Actually, true is a Boolean value. True and false are Boolean. End of file, the output of end of file function is integer. End of file will return integer if the file is not ended. And if the file is ended, means it is end of the file, it will return, sorry. If the file is not ended, it will return 0. if you type, for example, in the middle, you are reading the file. If you see out end of file, you can see any value, any integer value, which is the output of end of file. Excuse me, I always make mistake. It will print 0 for you. But if it is end of the file, it will print any other value than 0. So it means it is end of the file. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Can you go ahead?
And we will get 9 on the floor. And after the question 1, the question 1, 24 lines if the
Is it possible to stop sharing and share your whole screen? Okay, and then go to your code.
The question 1 for user to enter the key.
No, we cannot see your code. No. Yeah. The first one. Yeah. Okay, good.
The question 1 user to press enter key after 24 lines, but it is too long to verify whether it's correct or not. So I use 5.
So you make it for 5 lines.
Yeah.
Okay, can you run the code, please? Hello everyone, I'm here to talk about okay, good. Is there any questions from our friend? Our friend, sorry, Ko Young Wang. Yeah, I'm asking your friend if they want to comment on your code or if they have any question. So can you explain us what is the cin.get in line 30? Can you explain?
So the user can press the enter key. Then
it keep the output and waiting for the user to press any key, and then going back to do the instructions. Okay, any other questions, please? I know that some of you cannot maybe understand the code, maybe I don't know, but even you do not ask any questions and you do not let me know. Never mind. We go. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Ko Hyun Wang. I go to the next person, who is Aisha. Our Prince Aisha.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Okay. Wait.
Thank you. Can you share your whole screen, please?
Yes.
Thank you. I want to ask you for the group for group A. I think group A, even the tutor will change, right? For the next half of the semester. Am I right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Firstly, this question asks to write a program that asks the user for the name of a file. Then the program should display the number of words and the number of sentences.
Okay.
Okay. Like usual, I header for the include IO stream and include F stream. In line 10, I type if stream input file to opens the input file. And then I declare all the variable, which are the file name, sentence, word, count word, and count sentence. The count word and count sentence, I initialize them to 0.
Okay.
Okay. In line 16, I ask the user to input the file name. Then in line 21, if the file successfully opened, then the program will process the line 25.
And if not?
If not, the program will display error opening the file in line 42.
Okay, thank you. And then go to 25.
Okay, in line 25, if in the file there is a word, then the program will count the word with in line 28, count word plus plus.
Okay.
Okay, for inline 31, if in the files to calculate the sentence, if we meet the dot character, then we can count the sentence. Okay, and then in line 37, I close the file. And in line 45 and 46, I display the number of words and number of sentences.
Okay. Okay, good. Before you run the code, if there is any question, can you post your question in the chat box, please? Any comments? Is there anything? Do you think you can comment on her code? If there is no questions or comments, you can run the code, please.
Okay. But I don't know whether it is true or not.
Doctor, is there a delete?
The word should be egg, right? Oh, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes.
I think when someone is presenting, I think for others, it is better if you have question, you type it in the chat box instead of start speaking. Okay, actually, as I can see, there are two sentences. You have to check the number of the sentences when you reach to any full stop. And then for any full stop, you have to count the full stops, and then based on the number of the full stops, you can say how many sentences you have. Can you go to the code? Are you checking the full stops?
Oh no. In line 31.
But as I can see, it is not counting the number of the. No, it's not the plus plus or. It's not the matter of putting plus plus before the variable or after the variable. There is no difference. No, even I cannot see. Oh, because you're using the get line. The get line is reading the line for you, right? Okay, for this program, for this code, you have to read character by character. Okay, so get line or in file, I mean the smaller or greater than operator is not working well. You have to read the file character by character. Okay, and then if you reach any space, you can plus plus the word count, and then if you reach any full stop, you can plus plus the sentence count. Can you change your code to read character by character? Aisha? Aisha, did you get what I mean? Oh, sorry. So it's not from my side. Aisha. I'm sorry, there were some people in here, they came to fix something and then they made it noisy here and they distracted me as well.
Assalamualaikum and good day. We need to read this input file.
Let me please close my room door and then I will come back. Sorry, okay. Use only one loop is okay. And two is very count word. Aisha, I can hear you now.
Lain kita begitu sebut dikte.
Doctor, I think she got out and she will enter again.
Okay,
I think.
no problem. No problem. I'm waiting for her. Aisha, if you can hear me, can you type something so I can know your situation? Is there anyone else who want to present this question, please? Because we do not have time. Is there any volunteer to present this question? Question number 4. Is there anyone who can call Aisha or ask her what she can do? No, okay, never mind. We go to the next question. From group C, I think. Hannah. I think it was Hannah. Okay. Question 5 is yours, right? Okay. Hannah, can you share your screen, please?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. For question 5, my question is to write a program that wait. Yeah. Okay. My question asks me to write a program that asks the user for the name of a file, and the program should display the contents of the file on the screen, including the line numbering, and each time the program pauses, it should wait for the user to strike the key before the next 24 lines are displayed. This is my coding. Okay, first I define in file as ifstream, and then I declare the variables. First, I declare file name and contents of the file, something to string, and then for this max 20 is the max lines that are going to be displayed at a time. And this is the initialization of the number of lines, which is 1. Okay. For at line 19, I ask the user to enter the name of the file. And then at line 23, I open the file. At line 26 is user input validation. If the file that the user entered does not exist, it will display an error message. And if the file exists, then it will proceed with the program. So I use a do while loop. First, for this, inside the for loop, I use get line to take the whole line. And this is basically see out the number of the line and the line. And after the program see out 20 lines, it will display a message asking if the user wants to continue. And if the user presses enter, then the loop will happen again and the program will display 20 more lines. And at the end, at line 52, I close the file.
Okay, actually for question number 5, I can see that the question is only asking to put the line numbering, but you are doing too many extra things for this question. Am I right?
I think I did everything that the question wants. Ask the user name of the file, and then line numbering, and then wait for user to strike the key before the next 24 lines are displayed.
Oh, okay. I didn't see that part of the line. Okay. It's not sent to me. Okay. Please do it. Please run the code. Yeah.
Okay.
I thought you did extra things.
Okay, this is the first 20 lines in the file. And then if the user presses enter, it will display 20 more lines.
Okay. Okay. Can you change the code in a way that the numbers can be aligned on the right side, and then the sentences can start in the same column? Can you do it with set W? With set W command?
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, wait. Wait.
Anna? Hello?
Yeah, I'm pausing the screen. I'm
Are you doing the changes? I cannot see you're doing any changes. Okay.
okay.
This is still the same.
Yeah. Right.
Can you use this one, please? Can you use the command I sent to you when you want to do see out? Before you do see out for the lines, can you do this? It will align the numbers to the right for you with 3 columns. But you have, I think you have more columns. I think you need more than 3 because in the output I saw that you have line. Can I see your output again? No problem, Aisha. I will ask another person to present. Oh, no, it's so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Maybe you can put 8, something like this. Okay, try with 3. Can you try? The output is open. But 8 is too big, yeah. 8 is too big. It's much better. Yeah, with 3 is okay. Okay, thank you so much. Any questions? Any comments? As a small suggestion, make the J++ in the for loop update expression. Can you go to the J++ file? It's a line number 45, right? So what is Hazem asking you? Make the J++ in the for loop update. Oh, he's asking you, you can put the J++ after I++ in your loop. It is also possible. You can put comma J++ and then remove that one. Okay, and then run again. Good, good. Very good that we can understand the code. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. If no question, I go to the next person. Thank you. The next person is, who is that? I don't remember. Chong Yi-yin. I think. Okay. Yudi, can you present number 4? For the word and sentence count. I think it was that one.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
I see that the question asks that each word is preceded by a blank space. So I write the content like this. I just copy from the tutorial questions.
Okay, no problem. Can you go directly run the code first? I want to see the output first.
Okay.
Thank you.
And the name is content.txt.
21 and 2 sentences. Can you go to the text file?
Yeah.
Definitely you have 2 sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, nice, very nice. How are you reading from the file? Are you reading character by character?
No, just a word, string. I use string. For the variables.
In MSCL reading failed while. Okay, you are using. Okay. So you are reading one word and then.
Yes, one by one. And
can you go to your text?
Oh, sorry, I close it.
No problem. You can open it again. Okay. Can you remove the space between the file and the full stop?
You mean this one?
Yes.
The question answer asked us to use this.
No, remove the space only.
Okay, you mean the space?
A space between file, no. Space between file and dot. Normally, at the end of
This,
the, yeah.
This one you mean?
Yeah. Then run the code again.
That will not.
This is the right way you have to do it. You cannot make the full stop separate.
No, this is the 0.
So that's why you cannot do this. You cannot
Yeah,
do this.
but the question asked us to use this.
Use what?
Each word is preceded by a blank space or a new line. Yes.
No, each word is. Okay, let me read the question. Okay, it was question number.
Question number 4.
Number 4. Okay.
I can show it in my screen.
Never mind, I can see it. Each sentences is terminated by a period. It is not talking about any space between the period and that one. You created that file because that was easier for you to read the file word by word. That was easier for you.
Okay. I misunderstand this requirement.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, no problem. My question is from you. Do you think you can read the file character by character? The only way you can answer to this question is to read the file character by character.
Oh, so you mean use string to char?
No. Reading. I'm not asking you to do any process on your on the variable you read. I'm asking you to read the file character by character. Do you think you can do that?
So I need to change the variable type words to character to char.
No. No, word is a string. If you change it to char, this is the way you read the file. It doesn't matter how you declare your variable. Okay. Can you understand me? If you change the word to character, still you are doing the same thing. And of course you can read character and ignore the rest of the word, but this is not the right way. Okay, text content is your object, right? Text content. Okay.
Okay, I have no idea about this now, so I just stop sharing and for another one.
No, you don't need to stop sharing. I'm telling you how to do it.
Okay.
Okay, this is the way you can read the file character by character. Text content .get.ch. You have to replace my statement, the thing I sent to you, in the while loop.
Sorry, I cannot see the command.
Can you open your chat box?
Okay. Content char.
The chat box on top, you have to go on top and then press on the chat icon. You can see the chat box. Okay, if it is difficult, never mind. Do it.
You mean, okay, just change it?
No, and then change the word. Now change the word to character.
Okay.
Okay, now inside, excuse me. Now inside the while loop, you have to check. You have to have another if. If
it is blank, right?
Yeah. Space. Yes. If No, that was the correct way. Yeah. If word is equal to space word plus plus. Exactly. That's all. That's all. You just press the tab.
Okay, and then run combine.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, maybe today.
It's not a big issue because you have only one line inside your if.
Just combine. Oh, sorry. Conversion string literally result in
No, because
specific.
no, you have to change the double quotation to single quotation.
Oh, yeah.
Because you
I
are
see.
dealing with characters.
I see. It's a chart.
Yeah.
Very this
good.
one
Very
need to
good.
change too.
I'm really happy from bottom of my heart that you can understand. You are totally different from the first of the semester.
Okay, that it is successful and I run it.
Okay, run it.
Content dot.
Bingo. Okay, you
Yeah.
got. Okay, is it good?
But seems like the number of word is not correct.
Can you go to the text file to see what is wrong? No, 1, 2. Oh.
It's 21.
Okay, yeah, I know. So in the code, you are checking the space.
Oh, I see. I found it. Because the formula of this one. I need to delete.
Okay.
And combine it. And run it.
I think it will be the same. The result will be the same because I know where the
wrong it's 20.
Yeah, you have to add it by 1, because now you are.
Yeah. I know.
Okay,
I
good.
see.
Good, because now you are. Okay, just let me explain to your friends. Because now, excuse me, I do not remember your name. Jihoi Li, right? Okay. Jihoi Li. Yeah, Jihoi Li is now counting the number of the spaces, right? But when you have 2 words, between the 2 words, you have only 1 space. So you have to add 1 unit to number of the space so you can calculate the number of the words. Can you run it again, please? Did you do that? Did you add another unit? Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Very good.
Successful.
Okay. So,
right.
Ji Hui Li, you should know how to read the file character by character, right?
Yeah, I see.
Okay. Very good. Any questions from the audience? Are you guys all understood what Ji Hui Li did? Guys, I'm talking to you. Amirul understood. Ahmed, okay. Very good. I hope all of you understand what is happening now. Thanks, Ji Hui Li. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Yeah, thank you. Okay. When you do good things, I'm really happy. Very happy. Who is the next person? Abiba Muhammad. No, Asri. No. Daniel.
Yes. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir. Question? Which question was yours?
I'm question 10.
Oh, so we didn't do the number 6, right? So who is doing number 6 and number 9? Did I assign these to anyone? Me. Oh, okay. So sorry, Daniel. Can you wait, and then we have the Yo Ko Guan for number 6.
Oh, yes.
Can you, yeah. Can you present number 6, please? Yeah.
Okay, so the question asks us to write a program that asks the user for the name of a file. So first I write the description of the application to make it user friendly. Then after that I prompt the user to enter the name of the file. So after it's open, if the file is not found, so it will display an error message and call the user to enter the file name again. If the file name is found, so you will go to here. So if the input file is containing the word, it will input the word here and determine if whether the word is more than or equal to 10 characters. Using the word length is equal or equal to 10. So if this is true, so you will print out the word followed by the
Okay, what is the word.length?
The word.length is a function that returns the number of characters inside the string.
Yeah, I know, but you're not allowed to use the built-in function.
And I didn't know how to do that.
Okay, did you listen to the last question?
Yes.
Did you see how Jihui Li read the characters from the file?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to do the same thing. You have to read the file character by character. And then when you reach the space, and then you have to have a counter. When there is a character, you have to increase the counter. And then when you reach the space, you have to check if it is more than 10 or 10, you can print that word. If it is not, you have to make the counter 0 and start for the next word, character by character. Did you get what I meant?
I can't get it.
So, can you read your file character by character?
Yeah.
This is what exactly Jihui Li did in the last question.
Okay. So I need to change the
Irfan Tijani, when you're reading the file character by character, it is reading the space, tabs, and everything. Tab is 4 or 8 characters. Yeah, it will read until the end of the file. It will read the dot, space, and whatever is inside the file until you reach to the end of the file. Okay, Hazem, I got the point. You can do it, Hazem. But are you in group? You're in group E, right? Okay. Because at the end, I want to have a group photo with group A, if possible. Okay, never mind. You run your code, but the built-in functions are not allowed. Can you run your code?
Okay. Sorry.
I understand that you didn't listen to the last question, but the solution for this was to read the file character by character, and then when you reach the space, you will calculate how many characters you read. Okay?
Okay.
Can you run it? You see?
I run it.
Can I see the input file? Because you're not sharing your screen. Can you stop sharing and reshare your whole screen? Okay, good. Now you can show us the dev C++, and then let me see your input file. Are you sharing your screen or no? I don't think you're sharing your screen. The first option on the top is screen 1. I think you're.
You can see.
No, okay. Are you sharing screen 1?
Yes.
Can you show? No. You are not sharing screen 1. Can you go to the?
No.
No. Yeah, open the share. Open the share because it is written in Chinese. I cannot read. Can you press the share option? Share.
Yes, share.
Do you see any screen? Any option? Screen 1?
Oh.
And Yi, we are not using the char for word. Word is only a variable name. The type of word in that question was character. Go up. Can you scroll? No. It was not drawing. In that window. In the window. No. Can you go to the share option again?
Yes.
Eng Sui Yi, did you get the point? What I meant? The word is a type of character, and then is storing the characters. Now there was a window for sharing that you brought it up last time. Okay. The first option on top. Okay, good.
Finally.
Okay, this is the input file, and then can you run the code? The application shows the words that have at least 10 characters. Okay. University 10. Okay, but when you finish the class, you have to practice it in a way I told you, to read the file character by character. Okay, any questions? Any question from your friend? If no question, thank you so much. You can stop sharing.
Okay.
And then the next one, I think, is Siu Ding Han. Siu Ding Han for question number 9. Yo, Kok One, you can mute your mic. Can you present? Siu Ding Han.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you present it? And then after you, Daniel. And then I have to say, unfortunately, goodbye to Group A. Because the second half of the semester, your tutor will be Mr. Haruna, I think. Okay, can you explain your code, please?
Oh, so
Question number 9.
okay. Question number 9. Say he want us to make a code to encrypt the file. So you read a file and then add something into it to encrypt it and then output to a file. So it does not limit us how we encrypt the file. So I made like this. So this all is get all the file here. So if stream declare the all file object, if stream and off stream. And then I use the seeding the random. So I have used the time. Then here declare variable. Here is first call the user to enter the file name. Then try to open the file. And I add the .txt at here already. So the user no need to enter the .txt. So if the user cannot open the file, it will pop out this. It will always loop this until the user enter the valid file and successfully open the file. After that, here open the output file, and here is starting to encrypt the file. So while we can get the character from the file, if the code will randomly generate a number, and then here is modulus by 26 and then plus 97, which is the A, the smallest A. And then this is the range for the ASCII code A to Z. So the word and the loop will get the character from the input file and then output to the output file. And this is the ASCII number for the space. So if the character get is not space, it will also randomly insert the randomly generate ASCII code into the file. So if the code detect we get the character is a space, it will not generate it will not insert a random character. After that, I close the both file and then print out this.
So yeah, you are not following the suggestion by the question and you are doing your own encryption randomly, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you run the code?
Okay. So
did you understand what he did? Okay, go ahead.
So I have prepared. This is my input file. I just rename my EA, yes or no, and then I enter. I first enter a wrong one. If a wrong error and call the user to re-enter the file name.
Okay.
And then a new. Okay.
Again, error.
Oh, I know where error.
Can you do something?
Oh, here I forget to make the same thing as the above.
What is that?
Okay, again. IEA. No, just now the error one. IEA. The file encryption is complete.
Okay.
Show out. Then
Go to the output file.
my output file is named output. So it becomes like this.
Okay. Okay. So you are using your encryption is among the English characters.
Yeah. So
Okay.
if you want
Good.
to, yeah. Okay. Okay. Thanks, sir.
Yeah. It's good. Any questions? Do you all understand? Meaning that none of you understood? Okay, good. Thank you so much. You can stop sharing, and I go to Daniel for the last.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks to you.
Right, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, please.
Right. My question is the question 10, which you can see is related to the question 9. So what I do is I'm doing the program for both of the question. So okay.
So are you following?
So for the equation,
yeah,
I'm following this. Yes, I'm following the suggested way of equation.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So do I need to explain the encryption part or just the decryption? So do I need to explain this encryption part or just the encryption part, as this is the actual question?
Show us the input file, means the encrypted file first, and then run the code.
Right. Okay. For the encryption part, I'm asking the user to input.
No, can you show me the
string?
Go. You don't need to explain the first question. I mean the question number 9, because question number 9, everyone they know this. Go to the input file. Yeah, go to the input file for question number 10. Can you show me the input file for question number 10?
Here. This is after being encrypted from.
Okay, adding for example 10 ASCII code for each character.
Yes, it is. Okay, so for the equation, I'm just simply put the value back. So I'm minus 10 back from the ASCII value. Okay, so for first, it will read the input from the file. Yeah. Okay, I'm doing this two part. So first, it will print the encrypted message on the terminal. So the user will know what encrypted message is that. Okay, after that, I'm clear and read back from the beginning of the file. As when I'm doing this, all the data will be read. And then there will be no other data to be read. So you will left the input file empty. So I'm clearing the file, and then I'm reading back from the beginning of the file. Okay, so I'm getting back the letter value from the input file, and then I'm changing it into number int type.
Okay, can you?
So that the operation can be done on it.
Can you go up? I want to see the letter.
Continue.
Can you go up? I want to declare. Yeah, at the time you declare the letter, you are declaring letter as as character. Okay.
Yes.
And then go down, please. I want to see. Okay, again, how do you wait? What is that one? In file dot seek 0 iosbeg.
Yes. This will bring back the, as I've done it here, all the data will be read until at the end of the file. So I need a command, I need an instruction to bring back the reading back into the beginning of the file. So here,
Okay.
yes, when you do this, you will get back the.
Okay, can you go down?
Yes, sir.
And then you're okay, you're deciphering. I mean, okay. Can you show me the? Can you show me the output file? Can you delete the output file for this? Can you go to your folder and delete the output file? No, this is the input file. You can close.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Can you delete? Right. Okay, and run the code.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
First, it will display the encrypted message, and then the
okay. And then can you go to the file
value of the message?
I want to see the output file.
To this.
My name is Danny. Okay. Good. Very nice. Any question from Daniel?
All right.
Any questions? Any comments on the code? Please. So Daniel, are you reading the file character by character?
Yes, character by character, yeah.
In file letter. Okay, so are you, when you're reading like this, it is reading character by character. So Jihui I think you can read the file like this, and you were right. If you change the, but I'm not sure. I have to check it myself.
Right.
I'm not sure. So Daniel, you mean by reading like this, you are reading the file character by character, means that you declare the letter as a character, and then when you are doing this
as character as
and then it is reading character by character. So if this is the case, Jihui was right, but I'm not sure, and I have to double check the things. Okay, anyways, thank you so much. Thank you very much. You can stop sharing. As I said at the first of the session, this is the last.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Thanks to you. This is the last session for the first half of the semester. And then the next week, I think you don't have any class. It's the semester break. And then we will have the meeting in the next 2 weeks. But I have to say goodbye to Group A students. And I don't think we are going to have any session with each other. So if you are okay, you can turn on your cameras, and like I am doing, and then we can have a group photo. So even mostly for other groups, we can even do it later. But for Group A, if you can turn on your cameras, those who like, I would be happy to take screenshots. Group A students, Chan Hu Jin, Ko Young Kwan. Are you guys all from Group A? Wow, very nice to see your energetic and happy faces. Okay, let me. Thanks to you all. I wish all of you a very successful life in your future endeavors. Dustin is clapping. Yeah. And then Lin Xiaodu is sending another sticker. Only few of you, right? The others, you don't want to turn on your cameras? Is it possible? I give you a few minutes. Those who want to wear hijab or you're not ready for taking photo, I give you some times. Get ready. Catherine, can you close the curtain? I cannot see your face. The curtain behind you, there is a, yeah, the light is, yeah, the light is very much behind you. Is that all? I can see 1, 2, 3. Let me see the other page. The other page, I don't have any face. I have all the faces in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Is that all? Let me check the group A list. Group A, you are 37 guys. Yeah, people are coming. I still give you time if you want to join for the group photo. And then I will share it in the Telegram group if you are okay, if you allow me to do that. Are you all okay? If you are okay, just shake your head. Okay, Arif Izzuddin is joining us. Okay, good, good, good. Okay, I want to take the skip. Licensian, are you Licensian? Are you good? Okay, okay, good, good. Wait, just say, okay, cheese. Say cheese. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1. Okay, let me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me go to the next page. Next page. I have only 2%. Yi Min and Yu Xian Yap. I want to capture you guys too. Again, both of you say cheese. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks. Okay, take care. And then I hope to see you again. And then all the best and success to you all. I'm going to end the session now and saying goodbye to all of you. For group E and C, I will see you in the next 2 weeks. For group A, I wish you all the best. See you.
Bye, sir. Have a good holiday.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks to all
Thank
of
you,
you.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you.